We want to make sure that you get the first look at them. This is the Quailridge 39AKFFL. Angle kitchen, flat floor loft. It's gray with white trim and white siding and white windows and white lineals. 6-foot vinyl patio door. Outside lights go where them round circles are. You got a 20-gallon electric hot water heater. House type rear entry door. That's a cool door. I pay extra to have the good things installed. You've got an auxiliary air in the loft. You got an outside spigot. You're 11 wide and about 36 long and about 14.5 feet tall. .50 amp electric service, triple axle. Let's go on in and check this baby out. We sold a lot of them over the years. Again, this is the unit number 12088, and it's a Quailridge 39AKFFL. Love this floor plan. It's got stainless appliances. 30-inch range, 30-inch convection microwave. Pretty cool. Check that out. Lazy Susan. Pretty cool. A lot of nice cabinets. Big cabinet there. Adjustable shelving there. There's 4 drawers there. Got a stainless steel faucet. Single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer. That's always good. You need a pull-out sprayer. Garbage can that swings out. How's that for thinking? Bar down below. You probably fit about any size TV there. I don't know if I'd go so far as to saying a 70 would fit, but it'd be awful close. I'd probably throw a 50 up there and call it a day. You got fancy front windows. You got a ceiling fan, sleeper sofa. Oh, that's nice how that flipped up. That was nifty. Something's up with GoPro these days. Wood mini blinds on every window. Check out that fireplace, man. How real is that looking? 50,000 hours LED lights. I wonder if that's lifetime. You got a Mastercraft rocker recliner. You got 4 swivel chairs. And then you also have, check this out, hidden bar. Okay, that's what we'll call it. The hidden bar. Pendant lighting. Let's go check out the loft for next. The loft has an auxiliary air conditioner to keep everybody cool. See the auxiliary air? And then got an entertainment center, console, plug-in, TV jack. Pretty cool. Heading on down. You got plank, aspen plank, PVC flooring on the entire main floor. There's carpeting in the loft and the master bedroom only. Here's some more storage closet. Water heaters in there. Got a nice pantry. Half closet, good place for a vacuum or brooms. Got a big closet here at the end. People always ask me, where can a washer dryer go? Well, We can have a washer dryer in this end of the 39AKFFL. This is probably one of my favorite bathrooms. It's got a corner medicine cabinet and vanity. This has the tub shower combo. So if you got kids, you can stick them in the tub. Or if you want to soak, you can stick it in the tub. It's a one-piece fiberglass surround with glass doors on it. Of course, the house-type toilet is standard in a Quailridge. Here is your medicine cabinet. Okay, let's go check out the master bedroom. It's your normal Quailridge bedroom. You got a queen that'll fit either way. There's definitely enough room for a king if you want less room to walk around your bed. I can get around this with no problem with the queen for making up the bed and such. There's lights in the closets. Nice closet rod. Over here, got the electrical panel behind the mirror. Pretty cool. Lights inside the closet. That's a Serta Dreamscape mattress, so it's actually a high quality mattress, and then it comes with the comforter, of course. You got mini blinds on all the windows. Heading in here, gonna recap. You got a great big bathroom, plank linoleum through, not linoleum, plank PVC flooring. You've got a hall pantry, pretty good sized pantry. Then you've got angle kitchen with 4 swivel stools. You got 4 drawers in the kitchen. Lazy Susan in the corner. Stainless steel. Convection microwave. 30-inch 5-burner stainless range. And an 18.5 cubic foot Frigidaire fridge. Coming out here, you got the swivel rocker recliner. You've got the sleeper sofa, fireplace, and a big entertainment center. I missed turning on one light. May as well turn them on. Got your mood lights here. See how they dim? Dim and bright, dim and bright. We'll leave them bright. Okay, there you have it. This is the 2020 Quailridge 39AKFFL. And it's been a popular trailer for us over the years. MSRP, as this one is equipped, is right around $60. You can get them to cost a little more if you put washer, dryer, and dishwasher in them. But, you know, sectional sofa can up the price about $1,500. But this one's right at $60, and it's a very nice trailer. This is the Quailridge. It's called a 39AKFFL. It's gray with white windows, white lineals, and white trim. It's a good looking trailer. It's got the fancy windows in the front, fancy half moons. Break it up a little bit. Okay, if you got any questions, call Kelly. Thank you, and have a great day.